The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is third Sunday of Easter, and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 21, verses 1 to 19. Just when Peter and the other disciples were about to give up and go back to their old ways of life, Jesus was there. And when they realized that it was Jesus, Simon Peter was restored by the love of God. Remember how 3 times Simon Peter denied Jesus? In our gospel for today, Jesus asked Simon Peter 3 times, "Do you love me?" And 3 times Simon Peter said, "Lord, you know that I love you." And Jesus said, "Feed my lamb." And since then, Simon Peter really hold on to the faith that Jesus Christ is truly resurrected until He gave His own life. My dear sisters and brothers, whenever we realized that God is on our side, and every time we fall, every time we are experiencing difficulties, frustrations, just when we thought it's the end for us, the Lord will always be there, rescuing us, restoring us, and giving us the new life and zest to continue. We will always find reasons to go on with our life whenever we realize that God is on our side. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, remember how much God loves you. And also, let us reciprocate that love so that no matter what happens, we will always be restored to our original calling, and we will be restored to the right direction, none other than by the love of Jesus Christ. Have a wonderful Sunday and go on with your life knowing that God has forgiven and God loves us. God bless.